Article 3, Bill of Rights. Right to liberty, life, liberty, and property. One should not be deprived of your life, liberty, and property. Section 2. Right against unreasonable searches and seizures. Section 3. Every person has the right to keep his communication or correspondence a secret. Section 4. Freedom of speech. Right to a free press, freedom of assembly, and the right of petition. Section 5. Freedom of religion. Section 6. The liberty of abode and the right to travel. Section 7. The right to information. Section 8. Right to form associations. Section 9. The right to just compensation. Section 10. Non-impairment clause. Section 11. Free access to court. Section 12. Right to person under custodial investigation. Section 13. The right to bail and against excessive bail. Section 14. Right of accused. Right to due process of law in criminal cases. Innocent until proven guilty. The right to confront one's accuser. Basis for trials in absentia. Section 15. Writ of habeas corpus. Section 16. Right to speedy disposition of cases. Section 17. Right against self-incrimination. Section 18. Right to politically beliefs and aspirations. Section 19. The prohibition of against cruel, degrading, of inhuman punishment. Section 20. Non-imprisonment for debates. Section 21. Rights against double jeopardy. Section 22. Ex post facto law and bill of attenders.